So it's been quite some time since we last saw Jonathan Coachman on WWE TV. He was a WWE commentator and backstage interviewer as well. So what's Jonathan Coachman up to nowadays? He occasionally appears on podcasts and shares his views on WWE and AEW's weekly products. Coach recently made news after he made quite a bold claim about former WWE chairman Vince McMahon and current WWE CCO Triple H and his wife Stephanie McMahon. So as per Coach, Vince McMahon is not happy with how Triple H and Stephanie McMahon are currently running WWE, and McMahon is not on speaking terms with his son-in-law and his daughter. It all started, according to Coach, when the board meeting happened and both Stephanie McMahon and Triple H voted no. They both voted against Vince McMahon coming back to WWE. The rift started right there and then, and Vince McMahon has not been talking with his daughter and son-in-law since then. Coach also said that Shane McMahon might be the only person close to Vince McMahon right now because of how he has supported his father throughout the years. Finally, Coach made quite a bold prediction about Vince McMahon and WWE's future. With how Vince McMahon is unhappy, is upset about Triple H and Stephanie McMahon running the company right now, what if Vince McMahon decides to buy WWE back from TKO Group Holdings, comes back and takes his position back as WWE chairman? Obviously, this is a far cry, this probably won't be happening, but it's quite interesting to think what would happen if Vince McMahon ended up coming back. What do you think about Coach's claim? Do you think his sources are trustworthy? Is Vince McMahon really not on talking terms with his daughter and son-in-law? Let me know in the comments below.